everyone to another episode of Chef de Repartee. Today is Biscuit Week, or if you're American, Cookie Week. It's a two-parter. So first we're going to make some amazing chocolate chip cookies, and then we're going to make the quintessential British accompaniment to tea, the rich tea biscuit. So let's get to it. So here are our ingredients. I've pre-measured out everything as well to make it more professional, more snappy. So firstly, we need to put the butter in and the brown and white sugar. Very professional. And we need to mix it up. This is going to take a while because I don't have a mixing machine. Right, so I'm going to try and mix in NutriBullet because I don't have a KitchenAid. So this is kind of creamed together. Okay, so now we're going to add the egg. Should I do a one-hander? Oh shit. Don't try that at home. Then we'll mix it together until it is one. So get it looking something like that. Great stuff. And then next we are putting on all our flour. Remember pre-measured, because that's how professional we are now. In goes the flour. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon of corn flour / cornstarch. So supposedly there is a fancy cookie place in New York. You've been there, have you been there?
Have we been to Levain?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and you had cookies from Levain together.
We didn't.
Yeah, we did. We sat on the bench and ate them.
What bench? Where? It wasn't us. No, that wasn't. No. That was your other boyfriend, fiance. Okay, and now we're mixing all together, but we don't want to over mix. That's what the recipe says. These are so easy to make. Like, how long have we been doing this for? A couple of minutes, and we're basically nearly done. Yep. See, that's what we're looking for. So everything's come off the sides. Now, the best bit, we're adding in our, let's just call them treats. I've gone for dark and milk chocolate. And again, walnuts. But again, actually pistachios would be really nice. Make sure you chop your walnuts down. And then we're gonna try and combine all this. Okay. The original recipe was for 8 cookies. Now these things are massive, so I've cut it down into half like we normally do. We can either have 4 big ones, 6 mediums, or 8 smalls. So we go 6 mediums. Yeah. 6 mediums. These would go really good with Guinness, I think. Rough shaped ball. Oh, it's a big one. The size matter. Depends on what we're talking about. Cookies, yeah, probably. Got our 8 cookies. Let's get to baking. I would use, if you have it, your parchment paper, your greaseproof paper, your baking paper. It's even got cookies on the box, so that's what it's made for. Actually, it's worked so well. Perfect. Look at it. Let's transfer our cookie dough. Realising that we don't have a big enough cookie sheet, I'm just going to do 4 of these. If you've got leftovers, whack it in the freezer, and then you can just pull them out. Treat yourself. I mean, I just made this up again just so they don't stick together. Good little takeaway cookie bag. The kids can go home with. That's a really good idea for a party, actually. I'm not gonna lie, that is a really good idea for a party. There you go. For you. So we've got a oven preheating at 410 for the Americans. What's that? 220? These are gonna go in for 10 to 12 minutes until we're basically looking for golden brownish, however well done you like them, but you don't want them overdone. In 10 minutes, we're gonna have cookies. What are you doing 10 minutes? Go back, in this 10 minutes, go back and watch an old video. Or you could argue for 10 minutes, you could do that. You should clean up, that's what you should do. So, it's been 10 minutes. You just need to, I think you just need to let them like cool down a bit. Like meat, you need to rest them, do you know what I mean? Let them get into their sort of natural state, basically. And for my American friends, we're going to enjoy this with a glass of milk. Let's break in. Let's try. Oh wow. They're soft, they're gooey, they're chocolatey, and it goes really good with milk. So that's our cookie video. Comment down below. Hit the little subscribe button. Enjoy these. You will love these, by the way. Don't eat too many of them because you'll end up getting like type 2 diabetes. So maybe one a day. Until they're finished, obviously. We'll see you for the next video when we're making rich teas.